Under the very prominent Bitcoin scam which has recently been in the news, Twitter accounts for major names like Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Barack Obama, including Joe Biden, Mike Bloomberg, Kanye West, Elon Musk, and major political figures around the world were hacked. This has instigated the matter of data security breach widely. From above mentioned personality account, a tweet went viral asking for donation in cryptocurrency. From Bill Gates, the account tweet went like this: I am multiplying all the payment I made to BTC address for the next 30 minutes as everybody is asking for me to do so. And now is the right time. You can send me $1,000 and I will return back $2,000. A similar tweet went viral from Bezos' Twitter: all Bitcoin you send will be multiplied in return, the offer retained till $50 trillion. The tweets were removed right after some time. Besides, the Biden campaign reported that Twitter had taken down the tweets after the complaint regarding breach were reported. While CEO of Twitter Jack Dorsey posted later that we have no idea about what really happened and we are looking into the matter, so far there is no evidence whether these owners themselves targeted their own account, rather the hacks were a claim to transfer the money into anonymous Bitcoin account. This hour-long security incident led to Twitter putting limitation on some users' ability to tweet, reset their password or use any unspecified account functionalities. Twitter went across its platform to clarify the incident was planned social engineering attack that targeted some of its employees with access to internalized system and tools. This ultimately led to the control of major high-profile accounts and tweets. If one analyzes the pattern of hacking of the political figures, it likely targeted the Democrats or the figures on the left, if drawing the comparison to the 2016 campaign. US intelligence agencies have established that Russia has been engaged in coordinated attempt to interfere into US election through social media tampering into various hacks, including targeting the various campaign and major party organizations. Hence, the hack also be simple demonstration of Twitter's weak security control as the US heads into the 2020 presidential election, a contest in which the service is likely to play an influential role, which provided a new curve in the incident. This proved to be the most major attack on Twitter account so far in history, reported Dmitry, the co-founder of CrowdStrike, a cybersecurity company. There are likelihood that the hacker had access to the backend or service infrastructure of Twitter, said the director of Synopsys. He further added, if the hacker have access to the backend, there is no stopping them from hampering the data, and tweet scam could be a distraction of all things that are considered. Twitter restarted the account of verified users who were able to send tweets again after 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time after shutting down the Twitter for scrutinizing the account which were hacked. Experts and several users have started raising questions regarding Twitter's safety protocol. It seems there is some lacuna in the cybersecurity of Twitter, many stated. Dmitry also stated that given the situation, we are lucky that only 300 people have been scammed with $110,000 in bitcoins. Twitter share fell 3% in extending trading after news of the hack broke.